Dashcam for car camera. For orders, please check video description. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. This one is Dashcam 4K GPS. This is a video and 24-hour parking, 4K 1080 pixel Ultra HD Wi-Fi GPS. Okay, this is a video you must watch. At the same time, I discuss about total 4 camera. Okay, T8 dual camera. This one is T8 dual camera. This one is T8 dual camera, front and rear, and this one is T8 single camera kit. Another one is front and rear camera, T8 dual camera kit. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. GPS built-in, parking monitor, 24-hour protections, G sensor. Okay, night vision front and rear, Sony 415 sensor, Ultra HD. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.